We are under a tropical storm warning right now. The threat of severe weather has already caused one school district to close, and that's Currituck County Public Schools in North Carolina. No classes today for the kids in Currituck County.
Of course, if any more closures come in, we'll be sure to update you right here on 13 News Daybreak. You can also find all closures scrolling right along the bottom of your screen. All
right, let's get right to the Weather Authority because they are busy tracking Andrea's path. Meteorologist Craig Moeller is getting team help, from meteorologist Julie Wilcox.
Now to Norfolk, where the annual Harbor Fest is taking a hit from Andrea. The Parade of Sail is not happening today. And organizers, well, they're shuffling around other event times and locations to make the rest of the event happen. Here's what we know. All other events are being relocated to either Waterside or Scope for today, and there's no need to worry about getting around. There will be school buses shuttling people between the different venues. The shuttle rides are free, and we've learned city parking at parking structures will be a one-time flat fee. Thank you, Ashley. Let's get a time check now. 6:13 this morning. We have a look at Andrea's aftermath down south in Florida.
And still ahead, we are going to show you more video coming in. Look at that tree that was uprooted and just crashed right on top of that house. Sandra Parker has more video she wants you to see next on Daybreak.
6:16 now on your Friday morning. We are in storm mode right now, and we want to get back to our coverage of Tropical Storm Andrea, the system that will bring us some rough weather starting today. It's already raining outside, and right now folks in Florida to our south are waking up to the mess Andrea left behind for them. 13 News anchor Sandra Parker's in the newsroom with new video out of that region for us this morning. What do you have now, Sandra?
I've seen that situation before here where the ground gets oversaturated, trees get uprooted, and unfortunately land on homes or cars.
Yeah, a lot of times with these tropical systems, you get those heavy rains, and then you get an isolated tornado, and the winds are just strong enough to take a tree and to push it over. So this is the type of thing we need to be on watch for through the day. I can promise you we will be watching the radar very, very carefully.
It is 6:25, and as we've been telling you this morning, we're in storm mode, and as the morning progresses, the rain is picking up around our area.
We know a lot of you have to get up and go, get out to work on time. Let's check conditions for you out there. We can take you right behind the wheel with 13 News Chaser Jason Walsh. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Not the best looking Friday morning,
Ugly start, ugly start.
Yeah, be careful out there. Stay safe. Our storm mode team coverage continues.
Take a look at your screen. This is Tropical Storm Andrea. The storm is on the way up to North Carolina, Hampton Roads, and the Eastern Shore. Craig is analyzing new information as it comes into the 13 News Weather Lab to get you prepared.
13 News begins in storm mode.
Good morning, everyone. It's 6:30. 13 News is in storm mode, and you can count on our Weather Authority technology to help you get through this Friday. As you can see, Andrea has arrived.
Yes, and be careful out there when you head off to work this morning. There are several accidents out there on the wet roadways. See that screen on the right? That's what Craig is watching right now, tracking the tropical storm with our Weather Authority technology. So let's begin with him and the information he has to share. Good morning, everybody.
Oh, good morning.
Thank you, Carl, for that live report. And you know, we've also been checking to see how Tropical Storm Andrea will affect some big events scheduled for this weekend at the ocean front. And here's what we know right now. Latin Fest events have been canceled just for today, but Saturday and Sunday's events are still a go. The North American Sand and Soccer Tournament, which brings thousands of people to the ocean front each year, is also going on this weekend. According to our partners at the Virginian Pilot, Friday's early games have already been moved ahead as a precaution. If the city decides to close the beach because of lightning or dangerous winds, the times for some of the 2,000 other matches scheduled between Friday night and Sunday, we're told, will be altered.
All right, it's now 6:43. Tropical Storm Andrea making its way across North Carolina right now. Boy, it looks nice at Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, again, right now.
These are live pictures. The storm is causing some big waves out there. We'll have new video coming into the newsroom that we're going to show you. 13 News anchor Sandra Parker has more of the effects of Andrea as 13 News Daybreak continues. Storm mode is on right now here at 13 News, and we've been showing you the damage caused by Tropical Storm Andrea to the south of us all morning long. Right now, it's only raining here, but some rough weather is expected, and the storm's getting closer and closer. 13 News anchor Sandra Parker's live in the newsroom, where she's been tracking video of the damage and effects of Tropical Storm Andrea. all morning long. Good morning.
Good morning, Vanessa. That's right. And
What can we expect from this thing, Craig? What are you tracking right now?
Right now we're watching rain, and we talk about bracing for Andrea, but some of the effects we're already feeling.
Yeah,
We've
it's
got the rain
coming down.
And I'm tracking a heavier cell right now down across North Carolina. I'll show you that in just a moment.
All right, thank you, Ashley. As you know, we're in storm mode and keeping a very close eye on Tropical Storm Andrea.
You bet. Craig and Julie are teaming up using our Weather Authority technology to bring you the very latest on Andrea's path. 6:56, back with more storm mode team coverage, and we want to get another check on conditions at the ocean front.
Let's get right to 13 News reporter Eric Kane with more.
And Soccer Championships, Latin Festival, those are changes he's talking about. Check out WVEC.com.
Right now, we're going to check out that ride to work if you have to head in.
Yeah, we have a big problem over at the high-rise bridge.
We will keep you updated as needed throughout the morning and this afternoon until the threats have passed.
All right,
Yeah,
for
we'll
now,
stay in storm mode.
you bet.
Yep.
And stay tuned for GMA's Extreme Weather Team. That's up next here on WVEC.
Have a good weekend, everybody.